Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a fabulous Tuesday, and we're going to start by adding numbers. The problem for today is I have 10 apples in a bag. My mom gave me 3 more apples. How many apples do I have now? I'm going to ask myself, how many apples do I have? Well, I read that I have 10 apples in a bag. So I know that I have 10 apples. So I'm going to write 10 apples because that's how many I have right now. Then it says my mom gave me 3 more apples. So how many did mom gave me? 3. So I'm gonna write 3 and I'm gonna write mom because that's how many my mom gave me. Now, let me read the question again so I will able to understand if I'm adding or subtracting. If I'm adding, I'm putting things together. If I'm subtracting, I'm putting things away, taking out. So let's see. I have 10 apples in a bag. My mom gave me 3 more apples. How many apples do I have now? So in the problem is asking me to count how many apples do I have now. So my mom gave me more apples, so that means that I'm adding. So I'm going to figure it out how much is 10 plus 3. So I am going to write my equation because I know it's 10 plus 3. And now I'm going to figure it out what is 10 plus 3. And in order to do this, I could draw 10 apples. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I have 3 more, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count to see how many I have in total. So I know that I have 10 over here. So I'm going to say 10, and then I'm going to say 11, 12, 13. So I counted all my apples that I drew. So I could say that I have 13 apples. Another way to add the numbers is by adding 10 plus 3. You could be using your tens and ones to figure it out. So for instance, we have 110. So we could draw one line to represent our 10. And then we have 3 ones. So you could draw 3 circles. 1. Let me do it again. 1, 2, and 3. So as I count, I'm going to be counting my 10 by 10 and my ones by 1. So I will say 10, 11, 12, 13. So I could say 10 plus 3 equals 13. And we could say have I have 13 apples. 13 apples now. Period. Okay, let's do another problem. It says, I have 30 oranges in a bag. My mom gave me 6 more oranges. How many oranges do I have now? So first of all, I'm gonna figure it out if I'm putting things together or if I'm putting things away. So let's see. Let's read it one more time. I have 30 oranges in a bag. My mom gave me 6 more oranges. How many oranges do I have now? So by looking at the problem, I could tell that I'm adding because my mom is giving me more. So now that I figured out that I'm adding, I'm gonna figure out my numbers. So it says I have 30 oranges. So I know that I'm starting with 30. So I'm gonna write 30 oranges. Oranges. My mom gave me 6 more oranges. So I'm gonna put 6 more. And I'm putting more so I will know that I got more. Now, how many oranges do I have now? So now that I figured out my numbers, I will put in an equation and I'm gonna solve it. So I'm gonna put 30 plus 6 equals, so we don't know this number. We are trying to figure it out what is our total. And in order to do this, we are going to see how many tens and ones do we have. We're not going to draw the oranges because that's going to take us a lot of time because it's 30. So we're going to see how many tens do we have. So we know we have 30. We're going to draw our tens. So we're going to say 10, 20, 30. So we can write 10, 20, 30. So I know I have 30. This is my total. So I will know that this is 30. Now, we have 6. 6 is in our ones. So let me draw 6 circles to represent the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now, in order to solve this problem, I'm going to write plus, and now I'm going to figure it out. How much is it by counting them? So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I could tell that I have 36. And let me verify again to see if my answer it is 36. So let's count again. 10, 20, 30, 31, because we're counting by ones now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So yes, my answer will be 36. So I could say I have 36 oranges, oranges in total. So my answer will be I have 36 oranges in total.